Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Making Maths Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problem look easy. Alright, come along. What do we have for today? Continuation of what we did. Division, long division by. Now, the previous video we had by 1-digit number, but now we have division by 2-digit numbers. So the first thing, like we said, divide, multiply, subtract, then bring down, then repeat the process. That's the rule when doing long division. So let's look at the first one. 5 to 8. 5 to 8 divided by 24. And what did we say? We said this is the dividend, this is the divisor. Now, the first thing to do when you are dividing, create quickly at one corner your 24 times table, at least up to 9. Up to 9 and you are good to go. So 24 times 2, that's 48. Now look at 24. I cannot count 24 from 5, so I add these 2 digits. 24 in 52. Let's look at it. 24 times 3. This is 4 times 3, 12. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 72. 72 is more than 52, so we take the previous one. 48 is closer to 52. So 24 in 52 will be 2. We'll put that 2 times 24, that's 48. We subtract 52 minus 48. One we cancel here. 12 minus 8, that's 4. We are done with subtracting. We bring down. We'll bring down our 8. The same thing, 24 in 48 is now 2. So 2 times 24, that's 48. We subtract 48 minus 48, 0. So 5 to 8 divided by 24 will give us 22. Let's look at the second one. 705. 705 in 37. Now, look at it. 37 in 7. It's not possible for me to count 37 from 7. So I add it together to become 70. Quickly at one corner of your note or your rough sheet, create the 37 times table. 7 times 2, 14. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 74. Now 37 times 2 is over what you are dividing. So it is not 2, so it will be 1. We can see 137 out of 70. So you put it here. 1 times 37. You have 37. You subtract. Now this is 6. This is 1. 10 minus 7, that's 3. 6 minus 3, that's 3. Now we are done subtracting. We'll bring down the 5. Wow, what? This is a large number. Okay. Then we repeat the process again. We divide 37 in 335. Now, what I can do, I know that 37 times 10 will give me 370. So let me use a number that is close to, which is more than this. Let me use a number that is close to 10 to multiply to see if I will get what is close to this. We can try out 8, 37, or let's try out 9. Let's see, 27 times 9. 9 times 7, 63. 63. 9 times 3, 27. Plus this, that's what? 333. Okay, now 333 is closer to 335. So we use 9. So 37 in 335, that will give us 9. So we put the 9. 9 times 37 is 333. 333. We'll subtract 5 minus 3, that will give us 2. So we have 705 divided by 37 is 19, remainder 2. So this is our remainder, this is the quotient. All right, let's take this other example before we go. It says 817,152 divided by 38. This is quite a big one. Now, the first thing you do, always create a multiplication table of what you are using to divide in one corner. It makes the division far more easy. So let me, at the corner of, let me put what I'm dividing. 3,817,152 divided by 38. So let's create a 38 times table. Now 38 times 2 38 times 2, 8 times 2, 16, 6 carry 1, 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Let's go again. 38 times 3, 8 times 3, 24, 3 times 3, 9, 11. Okay, the next one. Okay, let's work with this, or let's continue. First, 38, 4, this 32, 4 times 3, 12, this 152, then 38, 5. If we be needing more, we'll continue. 8 times 5 is 40, 5 times 3, 15, plus this is 190. Let's stop here. If we'll be needing more, we'll multiply more. Okay, so 38 in 8, we take the first digit, it's not possible. We add these two together, becomes 81. So which one is close to 81? That's 2. So that's, we put 2 up here. 2 times 38 is 76. We subtract 81 minus 76, that will give us 5. Now, having subtracted, the next thing we do, we break down the next digit, which is 7. Now, 38 in 57 is 1. It's not up to 2, so we put 1 here. 1 times 38 is 38. Now, the next thing we do, we subtract. So this for 17, that's 9. Then 4 minus 3, that's 19. Now the next thing we do, after subtracting 19, we bring down the next digits, which is our 1. We'll bring down our 1 here to give us 191. Let's divide 38 in 191. Okay, it's 5, because this is 195. So we put our 5 here. We'll put our 5 here. 5 times 38, that will give us 190. 190. So that's 190 minus 191 minus 190 is 1. Now the next thing, we'll bring down our 5. Now, can 38 can you count 38 from 15? No, it's not possible. So we put our 0 there. We'll put our 0. 0 times this is 0. 15 minus 0 is still 15. The next thing we do, we bring down our 2. Now, this is 152. 38 in 152, that's 4. So this is 4. 4 times 38 is 152. When you subtract, minus 150, because of lack of space here, I'll just stop here. Minus 152, that will give us 0. So 817,152 divided by 38 is 215,000. Okay, sorry, 21,504. Okay, we are done with that. Let's look at number 4. 25 and 600. So 600 in 25 divided by 600. The next thing, we know that 25 times 2 is what? Is 25 times 2 is 50. So if you create your 25 times table, it's 50. 50 is closer to 60. So 25 in 60 will be 2. You put your 2 times 25, that's what? 50. 60 minus 50 is what? 10. Bring down your 0. 25 in 100, that's 4. You put your 4. 4 times 25 is 100. Subtract it, you have your 0. So I hope you have enjoyed the cool division trick by 2-digit number. The rule does not change. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. The only thing is create a multiplication table by the side up to 9, and you see that your division is very easy. So you just be checking it at the corner of your rough note, and you divide any number at all, you'll be able to get it. All right, I hope you have learned how to divide by 2-digit number. I just like, before we go, here are some list of take home fun you can practice at your leisure time. This is 5,125 divided by 25. The second one is 4,173 divided by 20. The third one, 465 divided by 15. And the last one, 31,728 divided by 23. Practice it. If you enjoyed today's class, give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Mickey Mouse Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If you are yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. Till we meet again, keep practicing. Also, let me know the answers of this taken form in the comment section. If there's any aspect of mathematics you want us to attend to, put in the comment section and we'll attend to it. Till we meet again in the next class, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.